Hey there, Evan here again from Jonard Tools. Welcome back. Today we have a new tool to share with you, the Jonard Tools T-handle security wrench in a 1/2 inch hex size. Designed for use on tamper-proof hex-type security screws or other hex-type screws, this security wrench is the perfect tool to use when dealing with 1/2 inch hex tamper-proof fasteners. This security wrench also features the following: 4-inch deep recessed hole for fastening security screws, large T-handle that makes it easy to install or remove security screws, and the handle is plastic dipped for greater comfort. Perfect for anyone who wants to have a reliable and efficient tool in their toolbox. It's durable and designed to make your work easier and more efficient. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product launches. Catch you in the next one.